I have not been to Diamond Oak all week. This week it's been a little bit crazy and it looks so good. There's a new garage door and new framing around it. I see some new fascia boards. Oh man, stuff is happening. It's very exciting. Let's go inside and see what's up. I'm at Diamond Oak and it looks so good. I am standing in what will be the kitchen. We have new lighting going all the way down. It is so bright in here. We have all the doors in the world lined up to be painted in our living room. Look at these beautiful baseboards. I freaking love these things. They make everything just feel huge and amazing. They're so tall and wonderful. I just love them. So we've got baseboards going on around here. I hear some banging upstairs. We'll have to go up there and see what's going on. Half bath is all cleaned up, which is exciting. This laundry room, seriously, like, looks amazing already. And just from lighting and new walls and new baseboards, it's just unbelievable. Here is the master. It looks so good in here. And they are working on the shower. So it is coming along. I love it. Say good morning. Okay, so coming upstairs, this used to be a 3-bedroom. But we had actually a 4th bedroom and we had to make space for it. So right here used to be an AC return. We reworked that and we have made this into a bedroom, which is super exciting. And we have a closet over here. So this is such a super cool room. I'm really excited about this extra bedroom. It's gonna make a huge difference in square footage and rentability and all that good stuff. And it really didn't affect this room at all. So right here where the door is used to just be oriented a little bit differently. Now it's at a diagonal. It used to be a 90-degree angle, but it really doesn't change the usable space in here. Good morning. Now I've got the upstairs bathroom. Hello, good morning.
How's it going?
What are you doing?
Making a niche.
Making a niche. It looks good.
Thank you.
I like it. And then the last bedroom upstairs. It looks so good. This place is coming along. Okay, so here I am at the foyer of Diamond Oak, and you immediately just walk into this grand, amazing living room. Like, look, just the ceilings are high, this beautiful fireplace. We're gonna have a stained, what's it called? Oh my gosh, I can't even think. Mantle on the fireplace. And anyways, you come over here, this kitchen is to die for, y'all. Like, look at these shelves, these floating shelves, and then all this cabinet space, and then we're about to have an island go in the middle where Andy is. Andy, say hi. We're about to have an island go in the middle here. It's gonna be so good. So anyways, we're gonna backsplash the entire wall, so everything's gonna be backsplashed, and then, like I said, an island in the middle. It's gonna be so good. So let's walk down the hall here. Look at these baseboards and this super bright laundry room. Yes, please, sign me up. And then the master bedroom. Here we go, and the master bath. We have a new vanity. The shower's still, we haven't had progress there yet, but we've got a brand new beautiful vanity in here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then upstairs is like the best part. So we created a 4th bedroom in this lovely house. The room was already finished out that we made into a 4th bedroom. We just couldn't access it from the hallway. So if you see here in front of me, the AC return was right there in that little square. And so we have moved that to another location and created access to this room back here that was already finished out. It just, you had to access it through the room that's currently behind me that I'll show you in a second. So anyways, we added a closet and now we have an additional bedroom up here. So it was this bedroom that you had to walk through to get to that room I just showed you. So now we have 3 bedrooms up here. So there's 2, and then the bathroom, ready for tile in that shower. And then the 4th bedroom up here. So this house is coming together. We still have so much work to do, but it is absolutely beautiful and we are really excited. So stay tuned with us. Look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Oh my God. What? Going into the living room. Look at those built-ins. Oh my God. This is like crazy amazing. I told my contractor to pick the gray. I gave him some options and he did a beautiful job picking. Here is our island that's coming. Look at all that storage. Oh